Alright, it's recording. Are we far back enough?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely perfect how much we put on that hill.
Are you going?
Yeah, I'm going.
So slide the mag out and toss it around in the chamber.
No, just make sure it stays on the ground.
Alright.
Ready?
Yep.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh! Well, that was unimpressive.
That was slugs. Now this is a double op buck.
Okay.
And then bird shot.
Ow! Shit!
What?
Got a few ricochets off of that.
No, didn't you, Gina?
Yes, the fuck it did.
Not the shell.
Smells like the 4th of July.
Kyle, is it still recording?
Yeah.
It's still on it? Alright.
Hit the power button.
It's like a rerun of Gunsmoke.
Rerun of what?
Gunsmoke.
Okay, you want to put the cat up there?
Gunsmoke. Yeah, that was